Hello, my name is John Magin. I've been teaching English to international students now for 10 years. Before that, I used to teach business studies. So I have a very, very good background in being able to teach international students who are in university, colleges, and they are doing business subjects, because I'm able to teach them the English, for example, with economics or management, small business, other marketing, things like that. So I'm able to look at both English side of things and the business side of things. So, yes, Alec, you wanted to ask me some questions.
Yes, I think that it's a brilliant idea not to teach just English for business, but English for specific institutions and specific subjects, specific courses. Nobody can offer that in Australia or probably anywhere else.
Yes, because most teachers of English are only specialising just in English. They don't have a background in all these other things, so they find it difficult to understand business type subjects or engineering subjects or whatever.
I know that you're one of just a few teachers who has brilliant feedback from my Russian fellow students. And can you name some of them you think they remarkable? Of course, Yulia Shutova is exceptional. She's she's awesome. But who else, for example?
Alexei Rashinsky,
yes. Yeah. Alexei Larionov, he said hello to you as well.
Yeah.
Actually, Sergei Panov, I think. Yeah. He said hello to you as well.
Yeah.
So I want to tell you that thank you very much from my Russian fellows. You're one of you who can make all aids for my students. It's very important.
What I try to do is, everybody who comes into the class has different problems with English, and they're good at this part but not good at that part. And what I try to do is, as much as I can, go round and round the class, just giving individual tuition. So yes, they all get the same work to do that particular day, but I mark each of their work. So they have a grammar part where I mark each particular word that they may or may not get right, and then they do writing. So then I'm going through the sentence structure, what they've got correct, what they haven't got correct, and then we do reading test, and then we do a listening test, and then we do lots of speaking. So we cover all of the English, and then when they're working, when they're going for a test, when they're at the university, no matter what comes up, they're able to do well at it. So that's what I'm trying to do. Give them a very broad background in communicating in English.
The college actually has a very strong partnership with King's Own Institute.
Yes.
And this institute I found very, very much different from others for non-university sector. I was just impressed with their new venue, 31 Market Street, and with the quality of teaching. It's just, look, honestly, I didn't expect such a high level. And I know that many of the students, they want to study in King's Own Institute after they finish the college. And would you be able to help them with their, not just English, but English for the subjects taught in King's Own Institute?
Yes, definitely, because when I taught business studies, I taught many different subjects, not just a few. I probably taught about 15 different subjects. So long before I was a teacher, I was a CEO, I was marketing manager. I've done many different things in the business area. So I have first-hand knowledge of those particular ways of doing business.
Actually, you were one time, you were Dean of Vilnius Business College. the institution?
I was acting dean of Williams Business College, and I was also the director of studies of Cambridge.
Yeah, it's very good that you understand that. You see that many of the students who wants to come over here, they choose the college because of you. Because I told them that if they want to study even logistics or something, specific, they can come with their own text articles, and you, let's say, they put sort of abstract of the article, and you check on this article. So you teach people, you teach English for the purpose of further higher education.
Yes.
And
yes. So whatever specific purpose you want, I can teach English for that particular purpose.
It's just awesome because it's honestly it's very rare or does not exist, and it's amazing that our students, they pay $150, $170, $180 per week for such a high quality of education in the college, because in my opinion the quality of education depends on the student, depend on the course, and depend on the teacher. Student is the same, it's ceteris paribus, the same person. As for the course, we are very much in constraint of ESOS, Education Services, I mean for English. So the difference maybe is only the quality of teacher, and I know that it's proven. I don't need to promote you because I have tens of students who promote you, John. So John, thank you very much. I hope it's not our last video. And just for the last word, what would you say? What would the message you would address my Russian students for them to be loyal to the college, to the course of yours?
What they've got to do when they come here, they're the ones who've got to do the work. I show them how to do it, but I don't make them do it. If they don't want to work, not my problem. If they do want to work, I can take them as high as they want to go. So that's the main thing, that the students have to really be interested and motivated, because no one is going to push them.
Thank you, John.
Okay, thank you very much.